Hello! Good day mga ka-Istorya Tour! For today's and next series of our episodes, we will visit Davao City and General Santos City. So, ayan. Tayo ngayon ay andito sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport or NAIA Terminal 2. At gabi po ang ating flight via Philippine Airlines. And we are bound for Davao City, the land of durian, na tinaguri ang King of Fruits. Medyo umuulan po ngayong gabi, pero okay lang yan. Tuloy ang biyahe. Kaya sana samahan niyo ako at ating silipin ng Davao City for this episode. At bago tayo magpatuloy, please naman subscribe to my channel, Kaloy's Istorya Tour. At lilibutin natin ang Pilipinas. Sana lang. Hanggat kaya. Kaya please subscribe na kayo. Kaya let's go. Talaga namang napakasarap magbiyahe sa gabi, guys. Less hassle. Walang traffic. Walang siksikan. Kaya I-enjoy traveling ng mga ganitong oras. Ang flight ko is scheduled at 11:30 PM at andito na po ako ng 8:30. Kaya chillax lang tayo, ha? And so, ayan. Welcome to Davao City. Ang Davao City is the center of Metro Davao, the second most populous metropolitan area in the Philippines. Ang syudad ng Davao serves as the main trade, commerce and industry hub of Mindanao, and the region of Davao is the home, of course, to Mount Apo, the highest mountain in the Philippines. As well, it was nicknamed as the durian capital of the Philippines. Diba? Pag nasabing Davao, agad-agad natin naisip ang durian. Guys, talaga namang napakalawak nga ng Davao, comprising of Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Oriental, Davao Occidental, and of course, the center of hubs and commerce, Davao City. So time check is 2:30 a.m. Dahil madaling araw pa lang, we will go straight muna sa city proper. At kung first time mo nga dito sa Davao, let's begin with our landmark na well-known dito sa Davao, syempre. And I'm thinking of Ateneo de Davao, na matatagpuan daw sa Rojas Avenue. Syempre, bawat travel natin, isama natin lagi si Mr. Magtanong para naman hindi tayo naliligaw. Kung sky is the limit ang budget mo, grab a taxi. At kung budget meal naman, grab a jeepney. Ganon kasimple. And syempre, payo ko lang, para medyo hindi tayo laging napapamahal sa bawat biyahe, always act and think like one of the locals. Para naman din napapamahal ang bawat lakad natin. Research the area, the location, the place, para alam natin at kahit papano ay makasakay tayo sa mga bawat ikikilos natin. Yun lang. Let's enjoy Davao. Tara! Napakalinis talaga ng Davao City. Mababait ang mga tao. Bawat mapagtatanungan mong mga locals ay napaka-accommodating. Well, that's according to my experience so far